Hello, guys. So here's the homework hints for Tuesday's homework. Okay, so in problem 35, it says that Jan has a airplane collection, model airplanes. She has 25 of them, and over the last year she's increased it 32%. Okay, then she gave six away to her brother. Well, we really can't solve anything until we figure out what she started with. So she started with 25, and we need to add on that 32%. So we can do this in two different ways, and I want to do both because in class, we did both. And so I want to make sure that I'm doing the way that is most comfortable for your brain. So if I need to add on 32%, so I have 25, right? And then I'm going to multiply that because I need to know what 32% of 25 is. And that's going to give me an answer. I'll know how many that is. And I'm going to then take that number and I have to add it to that 25, right? Because I'm increasing the amount of planes I have. And so that will tell me how many are actually in the set now. Okay, the other way to do that would be, and we did this in class, I have 25 and I'm increasing it 32%. So I'm multiplying by 1.32. Okay, and this here is the 25, and this is the 32%. So I'm saying I have the 25 plus the 32%, and that will also give me the answer. Okay, now in the problem it says once we have what's in the collection, we can figure out what she has left. We know that she gave away 6 to her brother. So before you check your answer, make sure you're saying, okay, so this is what she had in the set, but now I'm taking away 6 because she gave 6 to her brother. Okay, so that is 35. 38 is an awesome problem, and I'm going to be able to use all the things I know that we learned about in class in simplifying an expression. I love this. I just love this. Okay, so here's what we got. I'm going to do it, and you're going to do it with me. Okay, so just let's watch. So I have 2t minus 8. Now I need to distribute. I need to distribute this here, and I need to distribute this here. And remember we said that the sign stays with the number. Okay, so I'm actually multiplying negative 1/2 times 9 and negative 1/2 times negative 4t. Okay, so negative 1/2 times 9 is going to be negative. Is a negative times a positive? Is negative. Negative 4 and 1/2. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply negative 1/2 times negative 4t. Both negatives, remember, negative, negative, they like each other. They get along just fine. So that would be positive. So negative 1/2 times negative 4t is positive 2t. And then I have that plus 5 over 2. I'm not 5/2. I'm not going to do anything with that yet. Okay, so now I'm looking for like terms. Okay, here's what I got. So I have two kinds of t's here. I got t, and I know they have the same exponent. They're plain t, so I can combine them. Okay, so I have 2t plus 2t, and that's going to give me 4t. Okay, now the number parts are kind of ugly, right? So I'm going to get rid of these fractions first. So on the side here, I'm going to do negative 4 and 1/2 plus, and I'm going to change 5/2 to a whole number, to a mixed number rather, plus 2 and 1/2. Okay, so now if I add this together, I'm going to get negative 2, right? So here I want to know how many more negatives there are than positives, and there are 2 more negatives. So now in my expression, I'm going to keep that negative 8 because I haven't done anything with it. okay? And I'm going to add in here that -2. And so now what you need to do is you need to find the final answer, okay? In 39, they give you a ratio. They're saying that for every 6 hours, they're making 56 cranes. And we need to find out what they're going to make in 1 hour. So you're going to find the scale factor. In this case, you're going to divide by 6, right? And you would find this number up here. Once you find that ratio, that amount of cranes, you're finding whatever cranes were made per 1 hour. And then you're going to go to the graphs, and you want to find the unit rate. You want to find the unit rate for each graph. So you're looking at per 1. What is it per 1? Okay, so to be clear, you're going to need to identify a point on the vertice. Okay, on a vertex. You want to identify a point on a vertex, and that is where the grid points meet. Okay, because that will be an exact number. Otherwise, you're estimating, right? So you want something where those grid lines meet. And then take that and find the unit rate. Okay, and I'm not going to give you any more hints on that. I think that's good to go. So if you have any questions, again, hang out me or text me or give me a call. Okay, I'm here. I'm anxious to help. Okay, see ya.